What's up, guys? Today we are looking at some mountain bike lock-on grips. Company name again, it's Wilesev, Wilesev. So these are non-slip rubber for your handlebars. It's made of TPE and PP material. It makes it durable and lasts longer. It's only suited for mountain bike handlebars of 22.2 millimeters in diameter, and there is an aluminium lock-on one side. Surprised. I've had lock-on grips before, and they're usually lock on both sides. Extra gel layer for soft touch with comfort, with anti-slip design to ensure long-lasting use. Its dimensions 22.2 millimeters. Oh, the length 20. No, it's not 22. Is it 22? Maybe 30 millimeters. And length is 130 millimeters, and I presume that makes no sense. I'm not sure what that means. Let me get measuring tape and I'll measure it myself. Okay, let's open this up. Let's cut in this plastic pocket. Has an Allen key, Allen wrench for those in the USA. Let me get my knife. I'll cut this open and get a measuring tape as well. Let's cut this open. So it has end cap plugs. Yeah, I'll save those for later. These are the end cap plugs, so one each. They pop on the very end. Oh, a bit of chipping here. Not sure. That's probably because of the Allen wrench. Rubber is kind of falling over the place. These, I believe, are the cheapest at, I believe, £6, £6 almost €7. Let's measure this. So it is 32 millimeters in length. Diameter, I guess maybe diameter on both sides. This is about 29 millimeters. This diameter is about 32, 33. So I'm not sure what they mean on the site. So let me see if these come off. So usually there's, like my previous set, I got some ODI ones which were really expensive. They have locks on both sides, so you'll have these on both of them. Presume this is the most secure on the outside. So you put it on the outside. These are very sticky. They'd be very good use with gloves, but I'm not sure how long they will last. And I presume, are they glued in? Let me just take this off. Because I know with the ODI ones, they're really stiff. Oh, it's a plastic sleeve. Hang on, let me check. Yeah, it's a plastic sleeve on the inside. Bits of rubber coming off here. That's not good. We'll see how it goes. I think I'm not impressed comparing these to ODI officials, because I know that the ones that I got had double locking and metal sleeve. And these are both plastic on the inside. Yeah. Let me put this back on. This one got loose. All right, so there we have it. These are the cheapo lock-on grips, rubber, for your mountain bike. I presume it's for BMX as well. I don't have a BMX right now, but you could use them either or. I will do a follow-up on this video. I will install them on my bike. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can see the next video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.